And welcome to the presentation. So here, for this recording, here is the user interface of the yoga app. So we have a search input, like a list of inputs for the yoga class edition, and also class instance for the teacher date, something like that. So for here, I'm gonna do first for the import the day. So probably I will prefer Wednesday first. So for the time, I would prefer 5 o'clock. For the capacity, I would prefer 5. And then for duration, I would input for like 120 minutes, probably for like 2 hours. And for the price for each session, it's gonna be around £60. For the class types, I'm gonna just write down the flow yoga or something like that. So we also have the description and also intro to the that's an optional input. So I'm not gonna add those things. So if we click submit, it says like with a lot bars showing like that information details or something like that. So we have a Wednesday 5 o'clock and 5 capacity. And also 120 minutes, £60 flow yoga and description is none. Of course, we didn't add the description for that. So I'm gonna just click and then it will say like details confirmed from something like that. So if I click the add yoga class, it's gonna be showing Wednesday 5 o'clock flow yoga. So we can also add another addition, another yoga class for that. Like we can just uh, add a Thursday 6 p.m. or something like that. So after that, it's gonna show with the list view of those yoga classes. So another thing is we have a date, teacher name, and comments. It's an optional thing. So for the day, I'm gonna just add a 17/10/2024, and teacher names would be like Jane. And if I click add class instance, it's gonna be showing like Jane, something like that. So I'm gonna implement the delete and update information later. So right here in the beside of those rows. So another thing is search by teacher. So I only implement the search function for those teacher, not for like date, not for like um and hours, time, and something like that. So I just only implemented for like teacher's name. So if you click like Jane, it's gonna be showing the search result for like teacher names for those yoga classes. So currently, basically, that's all of the presentation for this app. So after that, I'm gonna implement those related bugs and some of those uh, fixed bugs, something like that. So thank you for the listening.